Yeah, so I've been interested in Yiddish for a long time, in sort of a superficial sense. Again, I don't think I knew it was superficial until I came here this summer, but it totally was. I mean, it was about, my parents have a few words of Yiddish in their vocabulary. My grandparents can speak some Yiddish. And their parents were the ones who were immigrants, and so they were native speakers of the language. And so, for personal and familial reasons, I wanted to know the language. Um, Once I started pursuing Jewish studies more academically, I realized that it would be very helpful professionally if I were to know Yiddish, because I think that I want to go into some kind of Jewish profession, and that's very useful to have that under your belt. And I also, I mean, its connection with Judeo-Spanish. In the past couple years, I've been sort of making those connections, and that's been one reason that I was really interested in doing this program. So, yeah, I mean, I think there's a lot to be said for studying minority languages. Whether or not Yiddish is endangered, it's hard to say because of the religious communities and the secular revival that's happening. But I still think that it's really important to maintain languages that aren't in the majority and don't have that aren't a landed language or landed languages. So yeah, that's why I was interested. I applied for this program. I love telling everyone this. I applied for this program after freshman year of college and after sophomore year, and I got rejected both times. And I swore I would never apply again. And then I read Aaron's book over this winter break, and I was like, all right, I think I'm gonna apply again. I'm really interested in how he's like single-handedly saved all Yiddish literature in the world, and I hope to do something that's that incredible someday, but I don't know if I'm capable of doing that. Yeah, so I guess that's why I became interested again this summer.